Tutorial for My First Script. In this video, we'll walk through My First Script and see how it works. We recommend having a copy of this script open in your own account so you can follow along. You can create a copy by clicking the link in the description, going to Script, and clicking Copy to My Account. Let's get into it. All the beige text at the top is comments. This means that the computer will ignore this text. It's just there for you to leave notes to yourself or to other experimenters who you might share the script with. 2 slashes makes the rest of the text on that line into a comment, or you can start a comment with a slash and an asterisk, which makes your text a comment until you put an asterisk, then a slash. This second method is better for longer comments and has the benefit of this little arrow, which makes your comment collapsible. Here we have a comment that says that white space is ignored by computers, meaning you can add spaces, tabs, and returns, or new lines, as much as you want throughout your script so that it looks nicer to you, and it won't affect how the script runs at all. Now let's look at the first line that the computer will read. By typing this, we invoke or call the instruction function, which shows the word instructions in bold, followed by the text that we've put here in the argument, and an OK button underneath that the subjects have to click in order to proceed, or hit Enter on their keyboard. Now we get into displaying our 8 words, which the subjects will have to memorize. This line puts the word apple on the screen. The quotation marks won't be shown on the screen. They're only there to tell the computer that what's inside is string or text. Neurotask automatically makes anything inside quotation marks red, so you can see what will be interpreted as string as you type. By default, the text function shows your string, apple, in black Arial font, centered on the screen. As soon as the word is put on the screen, this line tells the computer to wait 2000 milliseconds or 2 seconds before going to the next line. This line tells it to clear the screen so that the word apple is removed, leaving a blank white screen. As soon as that's done, the computer is instructed to wait 1000 more milliseconds or 1 second before moving to the next line. The next 4 lines tell it to show the word chair on the screen, wait 2 seconds, clear the screen, and wait 1 second. Notice how we've separated each chunk with a blank line. That's only because it makes it easier for us to see the pattern. The computer performs this script the exact same way as if we had deleted these blank lines like this. This pattern, showing a word for 2 seconds, then showing a blank screen for 1, then a word for 2, then a blank for 1, repeats until all 8 words have been shown. Then we use or call the large input function. This function shows 3 things on the screen. First, it shows the text that we've put in the first argument at the top of the screen. Under our text, it shows an empty text field or text box that the subjects can type in. Below that, it shows an OK button subjects can click when they're done typing. The second argument is the label that the subject's answer will be saved under. So, after some participants have run your experiment, you could go to the script's data, found in different layouts here under the gauge and the table icons, and whatever the subjects typed into the text field would appear under the variable name words recalled. When the subject finishes typing and presses OK, there are no more lines for the computer to read, so it ends the experiment. Now that you understand the contents of My First Script, try it out. If you've been scripting along in your own account, click the play button in the icon bar. If you haven't, go to the link in the description and click Run Experiment. Have fun!